Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix headphones not detected on your OPPO A5x. So first, what you guys want to do is check the headphones. So test your headphones with another device to make sure that they're working properly, and try and inspect the headphone jack for visible damage or maybe debris or dirt stuck inside it. So here we have our 3.5mm jack, and we can basically plug our headphones here, or when you use the Bluetooth, we'll get back to that later. So now what you guys can do is restart the phone. So we can press the power button, the volume up button at the same time. Now swipe up, and basically that will restart our phone. So I'll see you guys once the phone is fully restarted. So now after the restart, what you guys can do is try another pair of headphones. So let me quickly unlock my phone. Now what you guys can do is connect another pair of headphones to your device to rule out any issues with your original ones, or maybe see if they're just different at pairing and there's some problems with that. So what you guys want to do next is go over and check for software updates to install any available updates that might fix the issue. So go over to settings, and in those settings scroll down until you guys see the system and updates. Now click on software update and make sure that you're running the latest version of the Color OS. If you do, then that's great, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important, not only due to the security patches, but also for the overall performance and less glitches. So what you guys can also do is clean the headphone jack. So use something like a toothpick or a small brush to remove any dust or lint or debris from the headphone jack. So do not use anything metallic. I mean, a toothpick is not metallic at all, so you can use it, but you don't, or you just can't use the metallic things. It's very difficult. And then what you guys can do is, if you're using an adapter, so let's say USB-C, and then you need to clean the charging port because dust can block a lot of connection, and that might be the reason of your headphones not being even detected. Then you guys can restart the phone just like we did at the beginning of this video, and then we can use an original or certified adapter. If you're not using one like that, then that might be the issue of your adapter and not your headphones. So you guys can test another adapter or another pair of headphones with the same adapter. Now what you guys can also do is, when you're using Bluetooth, then go over to settings, and here in those settings go over to the Bluetooth. Now keep it on for a couple of seconds, and in 3 seconds simply turn it off. Wait a couple of seconds again, and now let's enable it. Basically we refreshed the entire Bluetooth, and that's great. Now if we got our headphones paired, then we can repair them, and basically by forgetting, if we got something connected, then we can forget it and then repair it back. And what you guys can also do is make sure that you charge your headphones fully. It's very important, because when you do not charge these headphones fully, then that might be the reason of them not connecting. And I would recommend avoiding Wi-Fi or device interference between you and your headphones. So as a last steps for everything, the adapters, Bluetooth, headphone jacks, what you guys can do is go over to system and updates, go to backup and reset, click reset phone, and here click reset all settings. So you do not erase all your data, so you still keep your files, important files, photos, everything on the device, but you just clear all these settings on the device. So after you do that, everything should work fine, but if not, then it might be the hardware issue, and I would recommend visiting a service center for a checkup made by a professional and not me. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.